All right, guys, so now we are multiplying and dividing integers again, day 2. So, which of the following are equivalent? Equivalent is just a fancy way of saying equals. If you even look at the word, it looks like the word equal. All right, so which one's equal to -7? All right, so let's look at our signs first. All right, so remember, same means plus, different means negative. So these are the same, so that means my answer, no matter what it is going to be positive. And we are looking for a negative answer. So I'm going to go ahead and cross that out. Right here I have different, so that could potentially be negative. Here I have different, negative, different, negative. Same, because these are both positive, so this is positive, so I can cross that one out. All right, so now I look, which one's actually going to give me 7? So 0 divided by 7 is 0, so that is not accurate. 49 divided by 7, that is 7, so that is good. Let's put a check. And 21 divided by 3, that is also 7. All right, so these are my two answers. All right, so this one says, which of the products, remember product means multiply, is negative? So they don't even care about the answers. They just want to know which one gives us a negative response. So same thing. Same signs equals a positive number. So that's not it. Same or different? They're different. So that gives us a negative number. So that is it. This one's our curveball. So they are different. But 0 times anything or 0 divided by anything is 0. And that is not a negative or positive number. So here I wrote negative, but that is not true. We don't write that with 0. All right, so that is our curveball. So whenever we get 0, it's neither. All right, here we have different. So that's negative, so that's an answer. And same is positive, so that is not. All right, so just to recap, our answers are this one. And this one for 2, and for number 1, it was this and this. All right, based off question 1 and 2, what do the original integers need to be in order for the answer to be negative? Okay, so to get a negative answer, your original must have blank signs. So is it same signs or different signs if my answer is negative? It is different. So to get a negative answer, your original must have different signs. Okay, and is that true all the time? Yes. That is the rule. All right, let's get down to our word problems. And Amazon loses $780. All right, so 780 is our integer 1. Is it positive or negative? It is negative because they are losing money. So they lost this as a result of a shipping delay. The 6 CEOs must share the loss equally. Okay, so 6 is my next one. All right, and there are positive 6 of them or negative 6 of them. We're talking about people, so positive. And is this multiplication or division? This is division. All right, because they're sharing the loss equally. So this tells me that I need to do 780 divided by 6. Okay, so go ahead and solve. What is 780? Oh no. Hopefully that didn't just mess up the video. 780 divided by 6 is 130. All right, and it was different signs or same signs? They're different, so I need to make it negative. So what was the change in profit for each CEO? Each CEO loses or lost $130. All right, last question. While playing a board game, Unlucky Lucy had to move back 2 spaces. So integer 1, -2. She had to do this for 4 turns in a row. So if I see in my little diagram here, she had to move back 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So what was her change in position in total? So basically, how many spaces did she have to move? This is multiplication. So -2 times 4. I also, since I have my diagram, I can count how many spaces did you move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry, I counted the wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 times 4 is 8. And it is different signs, so it must be negative. So this means she had to move back 8 spaces. All right, so if you notice on the board, it's not negative spaces, but what makes it a negative response is the fact that she's moving backwards and not forward. So when we are interpreting our answers, our signs come into place. All right, because I want my sign, same thing up here. Each CEO lost $130. The 130 isn't the negative. I don't have $130, but it's the act of losing it and not gaining it. All right, so that is it. As always, if you have any questions, put it in at the end of the video.